Imagine the North Pole for a second. Not as ice, but as a suffocating tropical swamp. See, 66 million years ago, Earth was a literal greenhouse. And then, someone turned off the heat. For decades, we kept asking, what ended the heat age? It wasn't a sudden asteroid. It wasn't the sun. It was something much smaller, hidden right under our noses. The secret wasn't in the sky. It was in the abyss, inside a single chemical element that holds the remote control to our planet's thermostat.
Subscribe.
Calcium. Yeah, the stuff in your bones. That is the same stuff that stopped the Earth from boiling over. Today, we uncover the greatest geological heist in history. Meet the foraminifera. These tiny organisms are Earth's black box. They've been recording our history for millions of years, and they just leaked a secret. When scientists analyzed these fossils, they found a crime scene. Ocean calcium levels plummeted by half. It didn't just disappear, it was stolen. Here's the deal. High calcium meant the oceans were pumping CO2 back into the air. More carbon means more heat, a planet with no ice and no escape. But as calcium vanished, the ocean flipped the switch. It stopped breathing out carbon and started swallowing it. It became a global trap for heat. Why did the calcium drop? The answer lies in Earth's kitchen. The seafloor stopped renewing itself. The volcanic pumps slowed down, and the mineral supply cut off. This silent chemical shift dropped the temperature by a staggering 20 degrees Celsius. Without this calcium crash, we probably wouldn't be here. As the heat faded, the giants began to fail. This wasn't just a change in weather. It was a total redesign of the biological playing field. Every inch of mud at the bottom of the sea is a page in a book. And the calcium chapter, that is where the plot of Earth's modern era truly begins. Scientists found that the Earth's crust started moving differently. The planet's internal engine was slowing down, and the ocean's chemistry was the first to feel it. The ocean became a carbon sponge. It wasn't just holding CO2, it was locking it away, trapping it in rock, deep beneath the waves. The ice didn't just appear, it was invited. By the time calcium levels stabilized, the Earth had lost its fever and started to shiver. Why does this matter right now? Because we are currently doing the exact opposite. We are pumping back what the calcium took millions of years to hide. Nature's cooling process? It took 66 million years. It was slow, surgical, and perfect. But human activity, we are moving a million times faster. So some scientists are asking, can we actually hack the ocean? Can we artificially trigger a calcium reaction and save ourselves from the heat? But look, messing with Earth's chemistry, that is exactly what got us here. Are we smart enough to play God with the oceans, or are we just making it worse? It's kinda humbling. The same element that gives you strength is what gave the Earth its balance. A tiny witness to a 66 million year old mystery. We aren't talking about a small breeze here. We're talking about a 20-degree drop. A shift so massive, it turned a jungle planet into the frozen world we know today. Think of the seafloor like a conveyor belt. It brings up minerals, including calcium. But back then, that belt started to jam. The supply was being cut off from below. When rock meets water, chemistry happens. This weathering process is what regulates our air. And when it slowed down, the ocean's entire recipe changed forever. But here is the twist that shocked everyone. For 100 years, we thought the ocean was just reacting to the climate. We were wrong. The ocean wasn't the passenger. It was the driver. It didn't just follow the cooling, it caused it. Ocean chemistry was the master puppeteer. Today, we are reversing 66 million years of work. In just 1 century, we're flooding the system with carbon. And the calcium engine, it can't keep up. Some call it geoengineering. Adding minerals to the ocean to force it to swallow our CO2. It's a desperate plan. But nature, she already showed us it works. It just shows how fragile our balance is. A slight drop in one single mineral, and an entire planet transforms. We are living in the result of that ancient shift. So, is the process still happening? Some believe the seafloor is preparing for another shift. One we might not be prepared for. The mystery, it isn't just in the past. 66 million years ago, calcium saved the world from fire. Today, we're looking back at those tiny fossils to see if they can save us again. If you found this mystery as mind-blowing as we did, hit that subscribe button. We dive deep into the secrets of our planet every week. Don't get left in the heat. But what if the ice isn't just cooling the planet? What if it's hiding something we were never meant to find? Click here to see what's beneath Antarctica.